You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I
Hey, happy hump day, everyone. How are you? I hope you're having a great Wednesday. Wanted to just quick pop on to all of our platforms and say happy Wednesday. And are you registered for tomorrow's watch party with the National Stag Spa Network? Hey, everyone, it's Denise Fuller. I am the founder of NASNPRO, a licensed esthetician for over 30 years, and my heart is with you while you're doing treatments, maybe managing a spa, being a director. Maybe you do distribution through products and skincare. All things pro is what NASNPRO does for you. We have major resources, new discounts. So make certain that you are logged into all of our portals. Subscribe to NASNPROtv because that is one of the newest things that we have launched. During COVID, we were all, together in it, but we couldn't meet. So my team was like, hey, Denise, we need to be able to reach out to our members and to our pros around the world. So they came up with NASNPRO TV, and that is what we are doing. We have over 100 educational segments for you. So it's definitely worth subscribing. But we also have these fun watch parties in our exclusive Facebook group so that you can watch, learn, and win. And let me tell you, we have some great gifts to give away tomorrow. So tomorrow, you have to register. So you have to be in it to win it. That is registered through NASNPRO TV, our watch party. The link is being shared right now. And then we start at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I know if you're on the Pacific Coast, I know Cheryl. I know Cheryl Goodheim. It is early, but I do know you are already awake. So with that said, make certain that you register to watch during our Facebook watch party, and or you can watch if you're subscribed through NASNPRO TV. It is kind of like Netflix for estheticians. And we have a great interview with I almost said DNA. Sorry, with DMK Vice President Drew Coleman and Chief Scientific Formulator Dr. Lakonda, and more. So lots of great new segments that have never been seen. We're also doing an interview with the amazing Richard Marhar from Lightstem, and Lightstem is giving away a handheld. So again, you're going to register. You're going to watch it at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We're going to log in together through NASNPRO TV, watch it together, comment, wink, wink, and just have a good time, give away some things. But if you can't join us, which is a shame, but if you are in a treatment room or have a meeting, you can always rewatch it. And that's the exciting part with NASNPRO TV. We have over, like I said, 100 segments. Other things that are happening with the National Stag Spa Network is our next event is May 1st in beautiful Virginia Beach at the West End. Phenomenal lineup. new sponsors. And again, Virginia Beach at the Westin is like a 4-hour drive from Atlanta. It's easy to fly in. So make certain that you know where we're having our educational events so that you can join us. Our events are super special, they're aesthetic, curated. We want you to come to be fed physically with our great lunches, but also for your business. There's some great tools and tips and suggestions from our speakers, and then the all pro sponsors. And I do emphasize all pro because as a licensed esthetician, I want to offer the very best that you can have for your practice, for your career, for your business. And that starts with making sure that you have business and companies that honor your license. So you'll never find a multi-level marketing product or brand at our events. Again, we want professional brands to be able to service you. And our sponsors truly support what we do. They're excited to meet with you. And we're going to have a great event in Virginia Beach May 1st. So make sure you register for it. This summer, we're going to be in Philadelphia, July 24th. Then we go to Boston in September. We're at a new venue at a new hotel, which is exciting. Then October, we're in Dallas. And then we wrap up the entire year in November in Walnut Creek. And I know we don't have that in the Eventbrite, so just save the date. We're still working out a few details of that event with contracts with the venue. So again, I hope you are having a beautiful, wonderful, awesome day. And we can't wait to see you either on NASNPRO TV, which are, again, watch party tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or at a live event so we can hug each other, give each other high fives, and just cheer each other on. Thank you for being a NASNPRO, and I can't wait to see you.